The Horizon 3100 is a solid phase extraction SPE system dedicated to processing water samples for hexane extractable analytes, also referred to as oil and grease samples. This fully automated extraction system has 3 separate channels and a dedicated controller to simultaneously process multiple samples with minimal input from the user. The system accommodates both 47mm and 90mm SPE discs to process any oil and grease sample, regardless of the sample volume or the particulate level in the matrix. Precise solvent delivery improves the accuracy of your analyte recoveries from day to day and from user to user. Optional inline water traps are available for inline water removal, eliminating the need for sodium sulfate addition. The controller's intuitive touchscreen and preloaded methods minimize training and method development requirements, allowing a user to go from sample collection to data reporting in minimal time. All extractions are performed in full compliance with EPA Method 1664, including methanol separation and solvent drying. In essence, the 3100 allows you to perform oil and grease measurements with minimal hassle and maximum accuracy. Still wondering what the Horizon 3100 can do for you? Visit www.horizontechinc.com/3100 to learn more.